What's up guys, it is Mac, and today I'm going to be doing a surprise unboxing that I got from a fellow YouTuber, Mr. V Games and Toys. Now he's an awesome dude. He has been commenting a lot of my videos, super friendly guy. And he actually commented on one of my Gundam MSIA videos saying that he had one of the action figures that I was looking for, and so he actually offered to send it to me. So that is what is in this package here. I'm super excited to get into it. Again, huge shout out to Mr. V Games and Toys. Awesome dude. I'll put a link to his channel so you can go check him out. And yeah, so here is the package that he sent to me. He put Mac Pal. Close enough. It's actually Mac Pla, but yeah, I'll forgive him for that. And there you go, Mr. V Games and Toys. He also put some cool Pokemon stickers on his sides here. So there's one. Forgive me, I don't remember the name of this Pokemon. And then he also put one on the other side here. I think, is this one Pedro? Something like that. But yeah, very nice packaging. And obviously I had to scratch out both of our addresses just for both of our safety, you know, just in case there's any weirdos that try to look us up or anything. But anyways, enough talk, let's get into the unboxing. So let's see, figure out how to cut this box here. I guess I'll just do down the middle like I usually do. Let's see. There we go, okay. Just gonna make this video kind of quick just because my girlfriend's sleeping in the other room, so I don't want to accidentally wake her up. But let's see, let's get into this. There we go. I'll cut the sides. Alright, this is tougher packaging than I thought, but I gotta hand it to him. I mean, it's good packaging, that's for sure. Alright, there we go. Just one side. I'll get the other side here. Perfect. Alright. There we go, and then just one more side here. Alright, let's get into this. As I said, very well packaged. Alright, and I believe it's in here. And yeah, that's it. So I'll put the box aside. And here it is. Oh, I see it. Oh yeah, the Mummy Gundam. This is one of the Gundams that I was looking forward to the most to getting into my collection. It's just such an awesome design. And the fact that he offered to send it to me is, again, awesome, dude. Like, he did not need to do that. I offered to pay for it, and he just said he'd send it to me for free because he had an extra one of these guys. But, dude, check this out. This is awesome. The Mummy Gundam. Super awesome design. I love this guy. And then check out some of the accessories that he has here. He's got some of these cool snake whips. Again, awesome. Super excited to review this guy, so stay tuned. I will do a full let's build a full review. And yeah, as I said, super excited to add this guy to my collection. He looks awesome. And huge shout out to Mr. V Games and Toys. Again, awesome dude. And definitely put a link to his channel so you can go check him out as well. And yeah, thanks again, dude. Really appreciate it. I'll have to return the favor someday. But yeah, again, really appreciate it. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Sorry if I don't sound more excited. Again, I just have to keep my voice down because, again, my girlfriend's sleeping in the next room over. Don't want to accidentally wake her up or anything like that. But super appreciate the figure. Looks awesome. And yeah, stay tuned for a review coming soon. And with all that way, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.